All right now, go to bed. Good girl, Janie. Oh, here comes Charlie. Go to bed, Charlie. All right, I'll get your reward, Charlie. That's not to bed. That's on the outside of the bed. Janie's looking inside her house where I normally put it. Come on, Charlie, you can go to bed. Good boy. One each, so they don't get upset. Shut the door. All right, who wants it first? You want to give me a wave, Janie? Give me a good wave, darling. What's going on? Charlie, give me a wave. Good boy. All right, Janie, give me a wave. Janie, it's okay, darling. Come on. It's okay. All right, you ready? That's my girl. Yummy, isn't it? All right then. Good night, babies.